August 1947, at the stroke of midnight, India awakened to life and freedom.
Today, the proud students of Ryan International School, Kandivali, have gathered to celebrate not just independence, but the heroic sacrifices of our freedom fighters.
From Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of Satyagraha to revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, each freedom fighter's unique contribution paved the way for a free India.
Here is a glimpse of Independence Day celebration at our school.
What message would you like to give to all the students on the occasion of Independence Day?
Don't get trapped in this digital screen time. More of the screen time is affecting your health, your studies.
Be strong, be united. All the best.
Every student should focus on the health, because health is wealth. If you are healthy, our nation will be healthy and you will be able to achieve your goal successfully.
Just be independent, be fearless, be confident.
Quantum revolution is something that I want the Ryan students to get involved into, and AI.
Be prepared, learn all kind of artificial intelligence, digital revolution, so that you can really cope up with this world.
Treat yourself as the powerhouse and tap your potential to the fullest. Learn to respect, learn to realize your power, learn to respect time. And that's what you need in order to build this country.
We are actually now ruling the world, and you guys have been nurtured by your teachers to rule the world further, and you need to carry this way too long.
To become model citizens of the country. In today's world, it is very important that we become model citizens. Following rules, regulations and law of the land has become a thing of prime importance.
Take care of your health, be disciplined and listen to your teacher, because your future is there in their hand.
This is not a bank holiday. It is a holiday for our freedom fighters who have struggled hard for us.
Whatever you do, whatever profession you choose, whatever field you choose, be very, very specific that you grow your skills in that area, reach to the heights where you will be able to deliver your best in your field.
स्वतंत्रता आती है तो बहुत जिम्मेदारियों के साथ, और जिम्मेदारियां हमें अनुशासन सिखाती हैं और अनुशासन धैर्य रखना सिखाता है।
इंटरनेट से एंड मोबाइल से बच्चों को दूर रहना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रंस.
patriotic songs to classical dance performances. Today's celebration captured the essence of the love that we share for our country.
The spirit of our freedom fighters, their courage, sacrifice, and love for our motherland lives on in our hearts.
We express our sincere appreciation to all the dignitaries who honored us with their presence. On that note, this is YJ Sanidhya.
And this is YJ Aradhya signing off for Young Journos on Rhine TV. Happy 79th Independence Day!